No backbone, no problem. You may not realize it, but Arthropoda are invertebrates equipped with exoskeletons and are the most common animals on Earth. They live on land, under the sea, and in the air. They are the most successful phylum on the Earth that's ever been existed. The rigid exoskeleton made of chitin and protein helps to protect against predators and reduces water loss, allows life in dry environments. Arthropoda animals have jointed appendages which are modified to different structures to perform different locomotion, functions such as legs, wings, mouth parts, and antennae for sensory sounds and chemicals. They are bilaterally symmetrical, which means its other half is identical to another. They also have segmented bodies that allow them to specialize parts. And now, naturalists divide modern arthropods into 4 large groups. Chelicerates, which includes spiders, mites, scorpions, and horseshoe crabs. Crustaceans, which includes lobsters, crabs, shrimps, and other marine animals. Hexapod, which includes millions of species of insects. Myriapod, which include millipede, centipede, and similar organisms. So, how do arthropods maintain their homeostasis?
Apart from using the features of an exoskeleton for protection, they use it to maintain homeostasis by molting it periodically. In order for them to grow bigger, they have to shed it for their exterior to fit their body. Exoskeleton limits arthropods' maximum size. Although their shell is brittle and cannot support great weight without increasing its thickness greatly. Homeostasis is a complex thing to study, and the way for us to understand it better is by looking at some of its organs.
The endocrine system of arthropods. Endocrine system helps maintain homeostasis for growth, regulation of molting, and mate recognition. It also helps in regulation of metabolic activities, regulation of behavior, and regulation of pre-programmed cell death. Hormones are released through nerve cells and secreted into the circulation.
Each species of arthropod has its reproductive system positioned in a slightly different place according to its body plan, but all will connect to openings on the ventral side of the animal. Most arthropods are gender-specific and have male or female gonads or sex organs. In some species, such as in barnacles, they are hermaphroditic that possesses both male and female sex organs. Furthermore, most arthropods reproduce externally and lay eggs. Sperm cells are covered by a protective coating called spermatophore. This helps keep the sperm cell safe from anything it might encounter while it waits to fertilize an egg. This is important to terrestrial arthropods because it guards the sperm from drying out if it has been deposited on the ground. It's equally important to aquatic arthropods so that the water doesn't mix with the sperm. In some cases, a spermatophore is not necessary and sperm swim into the female during copulation like in human reproduction.
The digestive system of an arthropod starts with the mouth and ends with the anus with specialized regions. What goes in between depends on the insects, its life stage, and what it eats. The digestive system is involved in obtaining food, and there are different types of mouthparts have added greatly to insects' diversity and evolution, such as chewing, sucking, and piercing, which is sucking blood. The digestive system mechanically breaks down smaller particles that facilitate digestive enzymes from its salivary glands acting on them. Then after that, enzymatic breakdown of larger food molecules into simpler molecules that can pass through the digestive tract to excrete it as a waste.
Arthropods rely solely on innate immunity to protect themselves from infectious agents, but the principal component of innate immunity are concerned with physical and chemical barriers to infection in the epithelial surface. 2. Circulating protein to detect, bind, and neutralize pathogen by processing lysis, agglutination, and melanization.
The long history of arthropods is one of the greatest stories life on Earth. Nearly 500 million years ago, they came to dominate the world's ocean, sky, and they were the first of all creatures to climb on the land, winging its dominance.